just wanna take out and prove what a real man supposed to do. We can lay around and play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love it. I love it.
Hello, hope you're having a great day so far. Today is Thursday, so happy Thursday. This is May 22nd. Time is approximately 3 o'clock. I've had 3 meetings today. 1 meeting with some onboarding, one one-on-one with my supervisor, a compensation meeting, talking through comp and equity within my department and just being the representative for making sure everybody's paid equitable. But I know everybody says like, oh, HR is very cutesy, very demure. People love it. It's just a clerical job, strategy, helping people by hiring. But I do a lot more. So let's get into this little conflict that I'm dealing with. So now I am going to be more involved in disciplinary.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I do not like disciplinary. I do not like relations at all, period. It makes me uncomfortable having difficult conversations, especially dealing with somebody's livelihood, their job, their coins. It makes me uncomfortable. And it definitely pulls at my heartstrings. I told y'all that's the downside of HR. However, another dilemma I'm facing is I have a couple employees in the office when I'm on site that I'm very keen and cool with. But I'm realizing as you continue to grow, it is lonely at the top. So I'm learning to be more mindful of the perception in the office as far as me talking to a certain person a lot and stuff to that nature, because leadership plays games. If they see that I'm keen on a certain employee from the perception of just us talking a lot, I have been through, this is before, a couple months ago, but one of the people that I'm very keen with and cool with, I had to sit in on her disciplinary meeting. Super uncomfortable. And thank God she's mature, so she understands that this is my job. This is not anything I'm doing intentionally. I'm just thrown into these situations. But because of the perception of us being cool, leadership is messy. And they are liable to just try to throw you into those difficult conversations to add friction in that relationship. So just be mindful. That's the downside of HR. Like I said, it is lonely at the top. I'm one of the people who just don't give a damn who like me, who don't like me. I never gave a damn. You hear me? Ever. I've always had certain people that don't like my energy. Some people say I'm a lot. Personality big. Confidence I exude. My spirit just, sometimes disrupts other people's spirit. It's fine. But I'm learning that, again, it is lonely on the top. And even though I'm a girl's girl, the girl's girl in me has to be toned down when it comes to my professional career in that bag. So let me know in the comments, y'all, if y'all have these instances or have dealt with this situation, being in leadership, being a supervisor, even being a team lead. Sometimes there's difficult conversations that have to be had. But let me know how you handle those. And, give me a little few tips in the background. Like, yes, of course, I'm in HR, yeah, but let me know how you handle that. Have you ever cared? Do you not care? Do you always keep your relationships in the office very surface level? What do you do in this situation? All right, y'all. Cheers to the weekend. It is 5:08. I'm off the clock. But look at the merch, y'all. If y'all think I'm extra, my sister is extra. We had fans. Of course, the shirt y'all seen. And baby face towels to wipe her tears. It gotta run in the family. I don't know why we act like this. Blame my daddy. But yeah, extra. We're headed to get a pickup order from Double Beauty. If y'all don't know, when Big Carbon was in town, they went ahead and did her makeup, her lashes, and supplied her with an outfit. Oh, they got wigs here too. But I'll be right back so y'all can see what I got.
Just wanna take out and prove what a real man supposed to do. We can lay around and play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love it. I love it.
So on today's episode of We Got Food at Home, As you see, we got whole wings already cleaned up in the bowl. We're making Nashville Honey Hot Chicken wings, so stay tuned. Get your notebook out. I'm gonna drop the recipe. Heavy whipping cream, about 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 eggs. All right, our mixture is complete. These are the seasonings we use. So we got smoked paprika, garlic powder, red pepper flakes, adobo seasoning, a little bit of Creole, of course the Nashville Hot Chicken seasoning, and we have onion powder. We're gonna also season the chicken that's over there, and then this is our batter to double dip, and we're also gonna get some cornstarch and flour. Alright, got the chicken seasoned and mixed up. Now we're just gonna go ahead and drop that batter that we just made in here. And then we'll just go ahead and get the mixture for the cornstarch and the flour, and then double dip it.
Making you say anything when you do, they must comment it. So anything you do, they try to do, I'm what's it going?
All done. Now it's time for the action. Y'all see me going to Double Beauty earlier. This is the bag Double B. So I got this, a little bag, a dress. It's too cute, like the little back is out. A brown romper. And I believe this was a romper too. Yeah, that's a little romper too also. And some jewelry. That's the bracelet, earrings. But yep, these little items, and I will try them on and do a quick little try on haul in my upcoming vlog. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.
Victory.